Who the hell kicks a field goal when you have the #1 offense in Cam? What moron believes in that defense to get a 3 and out? Just ride the horse that got you there. You've gone for it on 4th down all season, but now you want to get conservative? First of all, just run the ball on 1st and goal. Second, let the offense go out swinging. After all of the time and money you spent to get Cam, how do you kick a field goal? They got lucky a touchdown was negated after a Jaden Harris weekly fuck-up. Sam Brown had another big drop on 3rd down. We all love X, but that fumble was crucial. I've defended Jacoby every time, but come the fuck on. Canes fans have traveled and supported all year. I went to every home and away game except Cal. You asked for support, and we did. It's such a slap in the face. Fuck out of here.